Hey guys, and what's going on? Watch Villa House. Everybody into the house, everybody rocking on. And guess what it's time to do? It's time to do another speaker unboxing. Because we put the Jam Rocker right here as our beater sound system, man. It's been beaten pretty darn hard. I gotta say, it's been beaten pretty hard. But we bought something little retro time, because this is the 19th century. Eh. So yeah, guys, we are gonna unbox this. Wait. You guys are like, how's the camera going all wonky? Because I'm holding it and cutting this open all at the same time. Which is stupid. So yeah, guys, ready to pull the tab? 1, 2, 1, 2, 7. Let's see what it looks like inside. Ooh, there are directions. The question is, will it say the proper wattage? Let's see. It's a retro wireless speaker made by CYLO. Quite loud. Quite loud. Oh. Frequency response. Signal noise, don't care. Speaker 2 to 5 full range. Battery, don't care. Because the battery actually gives it boost. And overall looks pretty good. Frequency response 20 hertz to 18 kilohertz, which is decent. Oh, it has an equalizer! Oh, it has an equalizer. It has an equalizer! But yes, guys, we will hook up the Vizio soon. Okay, that's the charging plug. That's important. The aux cord, not so important because we have an aux cord connected to the TV. And we're actually going to lower the volume on this because we may plug up our brand new system. Our brand new friend that we just got. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Remote. I wonder what this arrow button does. Turn back time. That's what it does. Yay, it doesn't have to come with a battery pack thingy. Styrofoam hat. Ooh. This probably isn't going to be anything like the DVLA. But let's just see what it looks like. Ready? Shandigity, shandigado, la li 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 da lu. Ooh, it has a leather strap, like an actual leather strap. That's cuckoo. Mic, don't know what that does. Sentences, don't know what that does. It has an infinity turning up dial. It has a subwoofer. Now that's frickin' G. And they kind of like the style. It's kind of like a reggae style, but not like a too reggae style. So, yeah. Volume dial. Does this thing turn on? Oopsie.
Power on.
Ooh. Well, hello.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Minimum volume. Minimum volume.
Now, where's the equalizer button?
Turner mode. Minimum volume. Minimum volume. Minimum volume.
That gets a little annoying.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
No one cares.
Turner mode.
Turn the mode.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
How?
Minimum volume.
How do you change it to the... This is why you use the remote. To override Dum Dum. So let's see what that can do. Oh, I'm going to pull the tab right there. It's been pulled. It said I did an auxiliary.
Minimum volume.
Shut up.
Turner mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Where's auxiliary? It doesn't even say real words. This one says no.
Turner mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I can tell. Maybe if I just leave it on
Turner mode.
Maybe I just leave it on Bluetooth mode and
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Maybe if I just leave it on Bluetooth mode, maybe it'll change over. Somehow. Just want to see what the maximum ratio is. It keeps going!
Maximum volume. Maximum volume.
Pretty good. We'll probably keep around, say, 18 decibels, because I can tell this is already powerful. Plus, with a freaking subwoofer. This system was $20 and has a subwoofer. What in the heck? I still gotta figure this thing out. Because I was thinking of like putting it right there, like right over there next to the on top of the singing machine, because I thought it'd be really, really cool and really, really awesome. So yeah. But you're so cool. I like you. And I wonder how good the subwoofer is. Because we may have to do an excursion test. But hopefully this doesn't have any stupid limiters that will max out the system like the Nakamichi used to do. Because the Nakamichi, wherever it went, right over there. The Nakamichi actually used to cancel out 30 decibels of sound for no reason. And guess what? I fixed it! All I need to do is press this setting, this setting, this setting, this setting, and I fixed it. It's surprising because you know how I fixed it? I actually fixed it on my computer long ago. I was like, don't need this, don't need that. Do I need sound limiter? Nope, bye. But it goes like, for real, what did you do? Oh, I basically like switched around plugs, and I found that plug, and I was like, what? I'm gonna use that one. So I did. So yeah, guys, once again, remember to come subscribe. Please stay tuned for more vlogs. And remember, you're the bestest.